Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Deepak. So, today I am here to share something about biomass energy. Biomass is a renewable energy source that is derived from living or recently living organisms. Biomass includes biological material, not organic material like coal. Energy derived from biomass is mostly used to generate electricity or to produce heat. Thermal energy is extracted by means of combustion, torrefaction, pyrolysis, and gasification. Biomass can be chemically and biochemically treated to convert it to a energy-rich fuel. Biomass sources: agricultural crops, savages, municipal solid waste, animal residues, industrial residues, forestry crops, and residues. These are will be give a main impact on biomass sources. Solid biomass: straw, research, scrap timber, wood cuttings, peanut shell, sawdust. So these are the some materials. Solid biomass power plant, liquid biofuels, liquid biofuels, gaseous biomass, food waste, biogas digester, methane, fertilizer, power, heat, community, and food crops to community. Power generation from landfill gas, gas wells to generator, and generator to transformer to grid. Potential energy source. Bioenergy contributes more to primary global energy supply than another renewable energy source. Total energy demand supplied from biomass in 2015 was approximately 60 exclujoules. The use of biomass of energy has been growing at around 2% per year since 2010. The bioenergy share in total global primary energy consumption has remained relatively steady since 2005 at around 10%, despite a 24% increase in overall global energy demand between 2005 and 2015. However, if we compare an upper limit of the total global bioenergy production potential in 2050 of 135 EJ that can come available as energy supply without affecting the supply of food crops. With the highest scenarios on the global primary energy demand in 2050 of 1041 joules, we see that the world's bioenergy potential is large enough to meet global energy demand in 2050. Unfortunately, this information is not part of the public consciousness. Contribution of bioenergy. Bioenergy plays a role in all three main energy use sectors: heat and cooling, electricity, and transport. The contribution of bioenergy to final energy demand for heat, traditional and modern form, outweighs its uses in either electricity or transport. Shares of biomass sources in global heat and electricity generation 2015. Biomass sources in heat generation, biomass sources in electricity generation. Global biopower. Biopower capacity increased by an estimated 5% in 2015 to 106.4 gigawatt and generation rose by 8% to 464 terawatt hour. The rise in generation was due in part to increased use of existing capacity. The leading countries for electricity generation from biomass in 2015 were United States 69, Germany 50, China 48, Brazil 40, Japan 36, and United Kingdom and India was. Biomass and carbon emissions. CO2 once stored in the biomass is returned to the atmosphere, and biomass absorbs CO2 throughout the process of photosynthesis, and biomass is sustainably grown, maintained by and harvested, and biomass is burned to generate heat and power. Like this, the cycle will move. Here we can see the advantages. Renewable resources, dependency on fossil fuels and reduced, carbon neutral, widely available, reduces landfills, protects clean water supply, reduces acid rain and smoke, reduces greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane. Disadvantages: not totally clean when burned, can lead to deforestation, biodiesel products are insufficient and compared to gasoline, requires lot of space, expensive processes. Major barriers. Major barriers faced in faster realization of available biomass power potential for a variety of end-use applications are inadequate information on biomass availability, absence of organized formal biomass markets, problems associated with management of biomass collection, transportation, processes and storage, problem associated with setting up large size biomass plants, non-availability of cost-effective sub-megawatt systems for conversion of biomass to energy in a decentralized manner, lack of capability to generate bankable projects on account of financial and liquidity problems. Major challenges. The major challenges in ensuring sustained biomass supply at reasonable prices. Increasing competing usage of biomass resources leading to higher opportunity cost. Unorganized nature of biomass market, which is characterized by lack of mechanization in agriculture sector, defragmented land holdings and vast number of small of marginal farmers. The cost of biomass storage and transportation to power plants, which is consistently rising rapidly with time. Here is the solutions. There is a need to evolve a robust organized biomass market toward innovative business models, motivating rural entrepreneurs to take up the responsibility of supplying biomass to processing faculties. There is only the need to develop and exfoliate energy plantations to take up energy crops on marginal and degraded land as a substitute for crop waste. Thank you.